This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear the startup cache in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. Clearing your startup cache, it could help to fix problems such as slow startup, UI issues, freezing during startup. The way to do it, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu, click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Help and click on Help. Then you'll go about halfway up to where it says More Troubleshooting Information and click on More Troubleshooting Information. Now on the page that opens up, at the top it says Troubleshooting Information. It gives you all kinds of data about your browser in here, but off to the upper right hand corner it gives some more options. It says Give Waterfox a tune-up, Diagnose Issues. The bottom thing is Try clearing the startup cache. Click on Clear Startup Cache. Another little dialog box will pop up, says Restart Waterfox to clear the startup cache. This will not change your settings or remove extensions. You would just click on Restart. That is how to clear your startup cache on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.